Good morning, everyone. Maggie and Jackson reporting from UCLA, University of California, Los Angeles. Taking a little run with Ben and Maggie. I want to try to be using the trailer to practice with her to get her comfortable, which she was not about yesterday. I want to use that as much as possible, but it's a hassle riding that thing, especially around LA. I'm gonna have to get used to it because we gotta practice. Maggie's enjoying it, looking fit as ever. She just needs to take her rest breaks still. One day, she'll be an endurance athlete like me. Right now, she's sort of a sprinter. She likes to play ball, have little spurts of high intensity. Maggie, look how beautiful this place is. UCLA is a gorgeous school. I've been in that theater many times. Hey, Maggie. But we need to turn her into an endurance athlete. We want long distances, easy pace, so she can go alongside me like her best friend. Because I'm not a sprinter, Maggie. I'm not that fast. I'm just in it for the long haul. She's doing great with all these people. She just chills out in general after she's gotten her exercise. Also just like me. So we're gonna keep running. You're doing great. Let's do 2 more miles, Mag. Buckley, Maggie, this is beautiful nice cream. I'm just continuing to dump daily green boost powder in there because it just tastes so good and it's so good for you. It is my favorite stuff ever. Use Plantriotic when you're buying it online as a discount code and you get 10% off those expensive but high quality and amazing bottles of green beautifulness that is good for your body and tastes so freaking yummy. She's so tired from our run. And Christine left me with this. She gave me one of the greatest gifts anyone can give me, cereal, and specifically granola. I've never had this stuff. It's buckwheat, coconut, raisin, cacao, maca, flax base. I was still hungry after that nice cream, so I got some leftovers. I'm a ketchup, sriracha, nooch, green split pea, veggie kind of guy. Taking the pups on a sunset evening walk before Uncle Adam comes riding in on his bicycle. Yep, he put his bike together at the airport and rode from LAX to here because he's a beast. If you don't know who Adam is, you gotta go back in the vlog and watch from June 2017. I think he's skinnier because I'm not feeding him chicken, which my mom usually does. He's on a more plant-based diet, so he's skinnier.
Hey.
Oh, let's see.
Hey.
Here, try to play tug of war with her.
No.
Yeah. No, she'll be fine. Yeah, she already loves you. See, she's good. Yeah, she is.
Hey. What's your name?
He's wagging her tail. This is Coda.
Coda?
This is Aspen and Joe's dog. They rescued him 3 months ago. Yeah, Maggie. Good girl. Good girl. It's pretty good.
Oh my god, so good.
Coast riding and frickin' like super trafficy LA.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
No? He rode his bike from LAX. It's pretty badass. You just ditch the box? Or do you not have
I told him to keep it. I was like, keep it, I'll be back.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna have to get another one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a round up.
They're instantly friends because they're both rowdy as hell. They both have no freaking limits. They go hard. Hard in the paint. She's vicious, huh?
She is a little aggressive.
It's good. No one's gonna mess with me, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah. I'm safe now in Mexico. Everyone's gonna be afraid of us.
Oh, Diablo.
Joe and Aspen made an ice cream smoothie bowls for dinner. Well, Aspen made them.
Aspen, yeah, of course. Everyone on your YouTube's gonna be like, damn, Joe, you got it made, man. It's true.
Well, you contribute things to the van lifestyle and relationship, and so does Aspen.
Nurture.
It does manly man thing. Yeah. All right, ice cream and Catan with the boys.
Yeah, no
The
girls.
boys plus Adam. Adam, how do you feel?
Wonderful.
Paradise, right?
I love it here.
You're coming from Colorado. It's cold.
Thank you, Foster parents.
Of course, they're so happy for you to be here. They've been calling me like, Jackson, is the house getting off the rails? You have all these people. Who's this guy? We don't know them. And now they're like, oh, Adam's gonna like make sure everything is organized and clean, and they feel so much safer. And I love you, bro. I'm happy. So
I'm happy
happy you're
you're
here. And we're getting Maggie used to the trailer. I've been feeding her treats in there, so she likes it. Chill out with the boys. See what Adam and I get into tomorrow. So stoked. Much love. Dream Extreme fam.
Shutting it down. Closing down the vlog.
And you're Adam and Maggie are already best friends.
She bit me.
You're really a dog whisperer. You're an animal
She
whisperer.
bit me
She
twice.
bit you? No. You guys are happy.